Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to clean C drive and speed up your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a multiple step processor, and after that 110% your Windows 11 speed is up. It's increase speed of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's go to our first step. Our first step is cleaning. Go to the start and here it type run and click on the run. In a run, first command is type temp. Remove this. Type only temp and click on OK. And temp folder is open. This temp folder contains your temporary files of your Windows 11. Select all, Ctrl A on your keyboard, select all, and after that press Shift and Delete key on your keyboard, and after that here we find yes, click on yes. And some files are used by your software, apps or the Windows, then click on skip. Do this for all current items and click on skip. After that, some files are used by your softwares or the apps. That file are remain in the temp file. This is our first step. Close it. Second is the go to the start, type run, click on the run. This time type %sign temp. After that %sign, and once again I go to the here run, click on run, type %temp and click on OK. And temporary files are open, and here we find many files. Ctrl A on our keyboard. After that press Shift key on your keyboard and delete button. Okay, yes. Do this for all current items. Click on skip. Wait for a few minutes or few seconds depending on your file sizes. Do this for all current items. Skip. After that some files are remain. Then go to here close our temporary files. Next item is recycle bin. Whenever we delete something on our PC or laptop, it's not go to the directly to the out of our PC or laptop. It goes to the recycle bin, and in some PCs 5% space, our C drives 5%, D drives or all hard disk 5% space is allocated to the recycle bin, and it's also reduce the speed of our PC. So go to the recycle bin. In recycle bin, I go to the recycle bin. In recycle bin, I have some files. So I go to the recycle bin after once again and Ctrl A on our keyboard. If you not press Shift and Delete key, whenever we delete our files, it goes to this recycle bin. You has to remove or clear your recycle bin data. I press Delete key and click on yes. It's delete all files from the recycle bin. Close it. After that, next option is uninstall. There are two ways to uninstall programs or files, programs or software or app in Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any Windows operating system. First way is go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In a control panel, here we find programs and features. Click on programs and features. In a programs and feature, here we find our all installed programs or app. Okay, here we find install programs on apps. Select your program that you want to delete. If you want to remove this program, select that program, click on the uninstall and follow the instruction by the software and uninstall that program. This is our first way, but it's only work with the installed programs. If you want to uninstall the programs installed by the Microsoft app or the Microsoft Store, then there is second way. Second way is close it, go to the start, type settings, click on the settings. In a settings, here we find apps, click on the apps. In apps, here we find installed apps, click on installed apps. In install apps, here we find our all installed apps including our Microsoft app. So if you want to uninstall any app, then click on here we find our app, click it here and click on uninstall and uninstall that app, and after that restart your machine and uninstall all apps that you not need. If you not need this kind of the games or any other apps or any software, then delete that software, and after that restart your machine. Your PC speed is up, your PC or C drive is clean up. Okay. In the next step, go to the start, type defragment and optimize drives. Click on that optimize drive. In optimize drive, if you're using traditional hard disks, then go to the traditional hard disks. Here we find in DE I use my traditional or old style hard disks. In a C drive, I use NVMe or the SSD or the solid state drive. So if you're using solid state drive, there is no need of the optimize. But if you're using hard drive or hard disk, then go to the hard disk and click on this optimize. For the information purpose, I click on the optimize. If you're using SSD, there is no need of the optimize. Click on that and it's defragment or the optimize your drive. And after that, here we find close. Click on the close. Next item is go to the start and type disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup. Here select the your drive or the partition. Select your partition that you want. I select C. Click on OK. After that, here we find many items. If you want to select another items, check this all things. Temporary data, download files or recycle bin or temporary files, select all things. And after that, here we find cleanup system files. Click on cleanup system files. It's once again go to the first number page or the start, and here also select. In this case, also it comes to the back to the first thing. Then go to the C drive once again. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. It's calculating. Center it. Here we find Windows Update Cleanup, Microsoft. Select whatever you want. I select all things. And after that, here we find total amount of disk space you can gain. It is delete 1.4.2 GB data from your PC or laptop. Make sure select the all things. If you want or not, then select those things that you want to delete. Select the old things that you want to delete and click on the OK. Click on delete files, and this time it's delete or clear that things from your PC or laptop. It is also speed up your PC or laptop, and it's take few minutes or few seconds or lots of time depending on the data that you want to clean. After that, next step is storage sense. Go to the start, type settings, click on the settings. In a settings, go to the system. In a system, find storage. Click on the storage. In a storage, here we find storage sense. And if it's off, if it's something like this, then off on it. On it by default, it is off. On it. And go to the here run storage sense during low free disk space. Default every day, every month, every week, every day that you want. I go with the default settings. Delete file in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. After 30 days, it's automatically delete your recycle bin data. If you want to 1 day, then select 1 day, 14 days, then 14 days, never, then never. I go with the default. You can select anything. And after that, run storage sense now if you want to run. And this also speed up your PC or laptop. Next item is go to the this PC. If you have old data or updated data, then delete that updated data of the Windows 11. Go to the C drive. In a C drive, here we find Windows. In a Windows, find software distribution. Find software distribution. Double click on it. And in this software distribution, if you find any file or any data, select all things and delete it. Delete this all files. Okay, it's an old updated data of the your Windows 11. You can remove that data. In the next step, I go to the start, type settings, click on the settings. In a settings, go to the system. In a system, go to the storage, click on the storage. In a storage, here we find install app and their size. Here we find document and their size. Here we find it's contain 8.46 GB. So I click at here and click on the view document. It goes directly to the Windows document. Here, go to your files and find which files or the which folder contain large amount of data. In this case, I go to the adobe and click on the properties, and here we find 8.44 GB data used by this adobe. Double click on it. In this case, in my Adobe Premiere Pro using large data, so I go to the Adobe Premiere Pro and I go to the here, go to the properties, and here we find it's using 7.90 GB data. So I double click on it, and here we find many files, and these all files using my data. So I select this all files and click on delete. After that, I go to the back, go to the here, right click, properties, and this time it's not showing. I go to the back. Once again, it's refresh. Now document is not showing, but temporary file contains large data, 8.93 GB. Click on that, and here we find Windows Update Cleanup. It show old Windows Update or the backdated Windows Update Cleanup. If you want to download, select download. If you want to recycle bin, also select the recycle bin. Select the options that you want. I select these all options and click on this remove button, click on remove files and click on continue. Back, go to the back. Next item is desktop. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find on my desktop, I have multiple files and multiple folders. Remove that folders or go to the any drive C, D, E, F and store this all folders, all data to the any files, and after that restart your machine. 110% your machine speed is up in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the multiple ways to clean up C drive in a Windows 10, Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.